I've been making chainmail lately, and it kind of, you know,
It's hard.
Yeah, and it's dark in my room. But so I went ahead and I ordered these things, and Dad was like, "Oh, that's cool. I want one." They're like $15.
$15.
$15.99. So now we both have our Dork goggles.
What's attractive, as far as I'm concerned, this is a little bit like loupes, but it's a $15 loupe that technologically is a genius construction. The price you just can't beat.
And it
Comes with batteries.
So what you do to put the batteries in is you take off the forehead piece. There we go. And it's got this little ribbon in there, which usually whenever something has a ribbon in it, it's because the batteries are hard to get out on their own with just your nails.
Okay.
So that ribbon is to help you get the batteries out when you need to replace them.
Okay.
And it's just 3 AAA batteries. Okay.
And then that just fits right back in there.
Yep.
Snaps back in there.
There are 2 bottom pieces that you gotta fit in at the bottom first.
Okay.
So you can kind of see them sticking through a little bit.
Okay.
There you go, and it's got these little adjustable nose pieces.
Okay, so these are the nose pieces, and how are they adjustable? Show how they're adjustable.
I mean, they're wire, so it's just like any other
Okay.
wire nose piece. You can
Okay.
just bend it to fit better to your nose. I
Okay.
like them the way that they come because then it just kind of elevates above my nose.
So tell us about these lenses.
So it's got a bunch of different lenses ranging from 3.5 times magnification to 1.0 times magnification.
How do they snap on?
Well, it's got this little doohickey here, which is fully adjustable. And it's not only adjustable here,
Okay.
it's also adjustable here.
So does the light move up and down, or just,
Yes.
okay.
It doesn't
Turn the
move
light
up.
on and then do that. Okay, so your light's on, that's your LED light, and that adjusts the direction of your lighting.
Yep.
Okay, all
You
right.
can also move it up, back, straight ahead, whatever. You just take these,
And this is basically $15, $16.
you just pop it in.
Okay,
It's fine. It works great. And go ahead and put them on. Turn on the light and point the light down so I can, you know.
so
something
there's
here.
basically at least three or four ways that you can adjust the lights and the lens.
At least 3 ways, not including the nose piece. It also comes with a headband. So what you do is it's got, these adjustable earpieces.
Mm-hmm.
But what you can do is you press down on this piece here. Essentially, you just press down on this part, and then it's able to pop
Slide
out
in.
of the...
Okay,
And then it comes with this little headpiece, right? So you just pop that in, and then bam.
okay, so it works the same way as far as like snapping in.
Right, it's the exact same. Okay, I got it from the mail. So you take this, and you plug that one in. Okay, let's loosen this up a little bit.
So you have the option for a head strap as well as the earpieces.
Yep. Then,
Okay, and then turn your light on. Okay. Yeah, that light is super bright.
mm-hmm.